In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your mouse or your keyboard. If your mouse or your keyboard is not working, you are at the right place. Now in my case, the USB flash drive does not work, the external hard drive does not work, and the USB mouse also does not work. If I connect it, it does nothing. By the end of the video, everything will work correctly and properly. You know, when your mouse does not work, it can be because of different problems, and each problem has its own solution. I have already published and shared many videos for fixing the mouse or the keyboard, but I did not mention the solution that I am going to share you in this video. And this solution fixes your mouse problem right away or immediately. Now you see that my mouse is working. It is because for me the touchpad is working, but the USB ports does not work. And most of the time, when your mouse does not work, or when your mouse or keyboard or external keyboard is not working, it is because of the USB driver problem. Especially when you see that the mouse light is on, but it is not working. Under the mouse there is a laser or a light. It is on, but the pointer does not move, and it is because of the USB driver problem. That the driver for the USB is not installed, or is corrupted, or is not up to date. And in this video I am showing you the best solution to fix the driver issue. But if your mouse does not work, probably you cannot navigate. You can navigate everywhere on your computer using the keyboard if your keyboard is working. In the other video I showed how to navigate around on your computer using only the keyboard. You can watch the video via the link in the description. In case you absolutely cannot navigate around, then you should learn first how to navigate around using only your keyboard, using just your keyboard. So first watch the other video and then come back to this video, because for this one you need to go to some software or some places to do something. First go to the settings. So you can go to the settings by the shortcut Windows key with I. Windows key I. Now we are in the settings. It doesn't matter if you use Windows 11 or Windows 10. You can go to the Windows updates. And then under the Windows updates, you can go to the advanced options. In the advanced options, go to optional updates. These options are identical or the same in Windows 10 and in Windows 11. Under the additional options for optional updates, if you see here any number higher than 0, like in my case I have here 9 available, it means there are 9 updates available, 9 optional updates are available. So click on that. You see these are available updates, so check and check, and here you see it is very important, driver updates. So click on it to expand and check all of them. After you have checked all these optional updates, click on download and install. Now of course for this you need internet. You have to be connected to the internet, otherwise you cannot download the necessary files for these drivers. It is a good time to practice patience or patient. When the USB drivers are not up to date or are corrupted, not only your mouse does not work, but also you cannot transfer any data or use your USBs, USB stick or USB flash drives. You cannot connect your hard drive, external hard drives. So it is very important. After these updates, everything related to your mouse, your keyboard, your USB flash drive, your hard drive will work properly and correctly. Now there is one pending restart. When all updates are installed, we can restart the computer. It is almost finished, 93%. When this is completed, we can restart. 99%. Now all the updates are completed and some are pending restart. So we need to restart the computer. Now click on restart now. The computer keeps restarting multiple times, so you should wait for it. When the update is completely done and finished successfully, you will see the login page where you can log in. And here it is. Now we can log in. If you also get this pop-up from Microsoft or from Windows, just ignore it by clicking on remind me in 3 days. We are now inside the Windows 11. Now let us try whether everything works or not. Very nice. Now you see that the USB is working. That's it guys, I hope it was useful. Thanks for watching. If this solution did not work for you, I have published many other solutions, and you can find the solutions in the link in the description. We have also published many other useful, helpful courses, tutorials, tips, tricks and hacks that can help you with your career, with your studies, with your projects and with your everyday life. So check out our channel and watch also our other videos. Take care and have a beautiful time.